Hello all, welcome to Bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through the most demanded and favorite collection of fancy borderless soft silk sarees. As you know, these collections are very soft and light in weight. And about the design, beautiful and unique buttas are running all over the body along with running or contrast rich pallu and plain blouse. For weaving, we have used golden, silver and copper sarees, and this beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 800 rupees only, along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For making your orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. Please avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries through the given WhatsApp number. Also, please note our payment mode is through online only. You can either directly transfer to our account or do any kind of UPI transaction. And also, if you guys wanted a quick update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. We are having separate WhatsApp groups for cotton sarees and silk sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. And now you are gonna see some open pictures for reference, as it shows running or contrast, rich pallu and plain blouse. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. Thank you for watching.